How to fix Wall Street Journal app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix the Wall Street Journal app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, simply clear out its cache memory. So to do that, you'll first need to open up your settings. On your settings, go to your general. And after you're on your general, go to iPhone storage. After you're there, simply search for Wall Street Journal. There we go. Now all you have to do is offload the app. Tap on offload and offload the app. After that, you'll see a reinstall button. Tap on it and reinstall the app. That will complete your reinstallation and it will have cleared out all your cache. The problem should get fixed by now, but if it doesn't, simply go to your app store and update the app to its latest version. So search for the app. After you find the app, if you see an update button, tap on update and update it. And after the update finishes, your problem should get fixed as updates come with bug fixes. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos.